So at our campsite where we parked Jaunti, I had this feeling that somebody was always walking around our home here. So I came up with this stealthy idea, because we used to be like the Hardy Boys in our youth, and I swept everywhere so that the new prints would show as evidence if somebody was here. And I was right, there is something happening here.
Grape picking, African limousine, waterfalls, birds' nests. We're traveling around South Africa from the bottom to the top. Cindy and Graham explore. Enjoy! All these growths on this tree.
Here begins our trip.
Beautiful mountains here. Aren't they gorgeous? On the way just outside of Pofadder. How beautiful this is. It's on the way to Springbok. All the red sand. Like desert sand against the mountain. Gorgeous. Wow, he's going fast. Strangest rock piles, and they're sort of all over these little hills. They're so weird.
This beautiful, beautiful countryside. This is going from Springbok to Port Nolloth. Beautiful countryside. Love it. Mountainous. We're going down to the sea, so it's all downhill again. Yes, and we're going down the hill. Down, down, down. Oops, bit of a bumpy bump.
They can take mine.
The Rietberg way. This rock area is amazing.
So I'm not sure what kind of mine this is, but the whole mountain's being mined. Amazing. But there's huge trucks here that they're mining with. Huge mine here.
Van shows 100, we're doing 90.
Rainy weather. Looks like the rain's coming in.
Wow, what weather have we got here? Crazy. A little bit overcast on the way. Wipers going, clouds up in the sky. But we're driving, it's fine. What I like is these pit stops where you can stop off every now and then. They're on all the roads here. That's perfect. That's what you want to do. You just take a rest or have a break. There's your little exit, and here you come back on ramp. Awesome. Nice.
Waiting for Graham. I left him about half an hour, 3/4 of an hour ago, and I sped here at 120, just slightly over, because I needed to get tablets in Springbok. They didn't have it at Kakamas. So for me, that was quite a thing. I'm not used to going on my own and fast like that. And it had been raining, but anyway, felt fine all the way, and I'm just waiting for him now. So I'll show you Springbok. This is the main road going through Springbok. It's a main road. The actual mall is behind me on the right, and it's one road going through the main road. So yeah, now we're on the way to Port Nolloth, and Graham's here. So this is the road up in Springbok. Yes, the mall that I had to rush to.
I combed this area with a brush, and here's proof something is here. I see it's a dog. A dog has been here. And you see a seagull's also been around here. It's left its trail. And everywhere I can see, there's a trail of something walking around here. Like Joe and Frank did in the Hardy Boys. I can see I've discovered the evidence of an intruder. And yes, I will get you. I'm gonna fry everything. Let's put up the awning and the netting. Big job, but done. Now she's waiting for me. What's she waiting for? And so we're gonna walk on the boardwalk. Hey, walk all the way around here. But you can have a look at these ships over there. And these are the jets for the crayfishes. On the boardwalk. You can also board down here to the beach. We're going to see if we can find some sunglasses down there. See the ropes are all bad here, but we don't need it. The wind's really hard here.
This is the lighthouse of Port Nolloth. There's all the radar stuff. And it's the lighthouse. It's very different, eh? Very different. Okay, so we're looking for the lighthouse in Port Nolloth. This is it. Can you see? The light is at the top. And then it's down. It said it's a steel lighthouse. Wow. Okay, it's very different.
Buildings are around.
Oh, sorry, I'm shaking. But that's a lighthouse.
Okay, so I've swept everywhere. So if there is a print that comes up, it'll be a new one. So we won't have any prints around. I've gone right around the car and everything. So yeah, if we have any intruders, we'll see and notice them very fast. And that's a verdict from Hardy Boys. Okay, so it's morning, and I want to see what's happened here. I swept everywhere like I told you yesterday. So it looks good. But wait. What do we see here? Is it a dog? What animal is it? Oh dear. Oh wait, there's two sets of prints here. There's a bird print and there's a dog print. And walked all up. Hey wait, what is this? This looks human. Looks like a human shoe. No, wait. Something's not right here. What's going on? Hey, somebody's been here. Somebody's been here. Oh wow. Look, it's going that way and this way. No man. What's going on here? Oh wow. No, there's something wrong here. Oh goodness gracious. Gonna have to do this. We have an intruder. So this is the little town. And this is the coffee shop we're going to go to, Belle de Port restaurant. Nice, Z's Cafe.
Look how
That's
beautiful
where we're going to
this
go.
is.
We're going to Z's.
Yeah, look how gorgeous this is.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And it goes right around. Look at the sand.
Yeah, I'm trying there. There. Right
And then the
around. I can
seaweed.
zoom in there.
Look at the seaweed here.
Yeah. All of this is seaweed over here.
Low tide.
And
This is
there-
Port Nolloth.
Yeah, and there's all the
Crayfish.
crayfish
catches.
So this is where we're going to have coffee at Z's Cafe. And what I like about it is it reminds me of Kimberley with its roof panels as walls, corrugated iron. And the nice windows. Love it.
Hello everybody.
Where are you?
We're in Port Nolloth and it's a tiny little fishing town, but it's quite cute. I'm so glad we've come up here. We were going to go further up to Alexander Bay, but you need 4x4s. And here we need my little car to fly.
Ah, cool.
And we right on the beach, our caravan park. Beautiful. I'm actually enjoying it. I really am.
Me too.
Yeah, we're seeing South Africa.
Beautiful. And this is a lovely waffle. Yeah.
And not many things happening, but we're enjoying it. And our campsite's right on the beach.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're having a great time here.
And the beach is just over there.
Yeah, so we're coming to town for coffee.
Yeah, this is our coffee break.
So cheers.
Enjoy. Cheers, girls. Oh, there's Cindy.
It does stink here. I don't know why it stinks.
Yes.
Huh?
I know, it's fishy.
Oh.
But I can see you back to your normal. What have you got?
Found glass again.
Okay.
I found glass everywhere.
Okay, so have you found any more? I found a piece.
Look here, it's not sharp. So this has been in the sea. Look here.
Wow.
Sharp. Look at these two big pieces. I like them.
Sure. There's a piece right there, green.
Oh yeah.
There.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
So I'll show you that when you go now. Okay, I think we've done enough for the day, babes.
I just got to look a little bit more here and then you're going to
See, this is what I have to do. I've got to go and edit a video, but now I have to do this first.
But we went for
What you do for your wife, eh?
Here's all the school kids playing. And then this is the fishing boat going out. I suppose that's where he goes out.
Hey, I've just seen something here. These prints are Cindy's. Well, she was walking here now. Oh, I'm going to have to question her now. Hello, Cindy.
Hi, babe.
I was just having a look at some prints there, and I noticed that your shoes have exactly the same print as what I was discovering there. Where were you last night?
I had to go pee in the middle of the night.
Ah, did you go to the ablution block?
Yes, your toilet's full. Yeah.
Ah, good. We've solved the case. We found the intruder. It was only you. Okay, so with the hardy ending on this video, we've come to the end of the video. So like, share, comment, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next Sunday.
So we're in Port Nolloth, as you know.
Yeah.
It's beautiful here. We're sitting on the sandy beach.
Sandy Beach, that's why I have to do this.
Yeah, overlooking the beautiful sea. Beautiful. Anyway, God bless you all.
God bless.
See you next week.
See you next Sunday at 5 o'clock.